Look at this dog. He's shaken to death over the stupid smoke alarm. Oh my God, that poor thing. What's the matter, huh? What's the matter, huh? Is it bothering you that bad? Seriously? Look at that. Oh my God. Look at him. He's shaking like he leave. He can't stand those smoke detector beeps. It was just on a video. I was looking at a receiver online for sale, and the guy had one going in the background. I didn't even realize it till, I looked at this poor dog. Oh my God, that thing scares him that bad. You guys beware of smoke detectors and your pets because they really, really scared them bad. Look at them. Poor, poor, poor.